Hi everybody! I am hoping that unlike the last video I did, that this one actually stays filming through the whole thing. I turned off and turned back on my phone. I'm hoping that that got all the little bugs out that had taken over my phone and were making it so it wouldn't video. So we will see. Otherwise, I'll be talking again to myself as I paint this video. So I'm going to pour my Dutch Boy house paint with Floetrol and water. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today. Paint all over. This is an 8x10 cradled wood, which was primed with gesso. I like, whoa. So that's just a self-mixed purple. Oops, and I got the purple in my yellow. There, got it all poured out. Yay! And Soho brand magenta. And self-mixed metallic blue. Even though I usually tend to like a lot of negative space, it's turned out that I've really ended up liking these Dutch pours that cover the entire canvas. So let me bring you closer to it. So it ends up with really cool cells and movement. So it's almost like if you would do a dirty pour over the entire thing. But instead it's a different technique, but still covering the entire canvas. And then the white from the base coat is what pops up underneath as those really cool cells. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.